Hello guys and welcome back, and today I'll be reviewing another GMK keycap set, GMK clone keycap set, and this one is GMK Ishtar. And first, this one in my opinion is probably the best one from the other that I reviewed. The layout support supports all ANSI layouts. Unfortunately ISO is not supported, but the colors are really good match with the original set, and they are very vibrant and also have a pretty good amount of novelties. Comparing it to the last set, the GMK Alter, the thickness of the Hiragana sub-legends became also significantly better. And comparing the thickness of the keycap, this is the Dice-Up ABS keycap, Dice-Up PBT keycap comparing to the GMK. And the thickness is pretty much the same. This set is for around $35, so it's a little bit more expensive, but still I think it's absolutely worth it. Comparing it to the other GMK on the AliExpress, this one definitely has the best colors. So yeah, I will leave you with the sound test. First the comparison with the GMK, and then the sound test, the typing test. If you like this video, please leave a like, and see you guys later.